This dictation material has been obtained from official para 25. The provincial government may, if in its opinion the public interest so requires, revoke a license in any of the following cases, namely where the licensee in the opinion of the provincial government makes willful and unreasonably prolonged default in doing anything required of him by or under this act, where the licensee breaks any of the terms or conditions of his license, the breach of which is expressly declared by such license to render it liable to revocation, where the licensee fails within the period fixed in this behalf by his license or any longer period, with the provincial government may substitute therefore by order under subsection 3 clause B, and before exercising any of the powers conferred on him thereby in relation to the execution of works to show to the satisfaction of the provincial government that he is in a position fully and efficiently to discharge the duties and obligations imposed on him by his license, or to make the deposit or furnish the security required by his license, where the licensee is, in the opinion of the provincial government, unable to reason of his insolvency fully and efficiently, full stop, unseen. The Board of Directors of EFU Life Assurance Limited at their meeting held on April 26, 2018 have declared first interim cash dividend of rupees 1.25 per share for the year ending December 23rd, 2018 to be paid to those shareholders whose names appear in the registrar of members at the close of business on May 9, 2018. Full stop. The share transfer books of the company will remain closed from May 10, 2018 to May 16, 2018, both days inclusive. Transfers received by our share registrar, Central Depository Company of Pakistan Limited, Karachi, up to close of business on May 9, 2018 will be in time for the entitlement of the above mentioned first interim cash dividend. Full stop. Income tax at applicable rate as per Finance Act 2017, 15% for filers whose names appear on the active taxpayers list of Federal Board of Revenue, and 20% for non-filers will be deducted from the dividend amount of principal and joint shareholders, if any, according to their shareholding. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Short and Computer College Shadra.